Hello my dear friends, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video we are gonna look at how we can check for firewalls in websites. If you're a penetration tester, you would always want to be seeing the firewalls inside a website if you want to hack it or penetrate through the website or even check the security of the website. Now to do it, we have a tool. It's called waf00f. So type sudo pacman -s waf w00f waf00f. Hit the password. It says target not found waf w00f. It's the command. Now if you're on on Debian based operating system, what you can type is sudo apt install waf waf00f, and this will install waf00f for you. Now if you're on pack, what you can do is you can open up Chromium or Firefox or even Tor browser if you want. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel, and today we are gonna look at how we can see the firewalls inside a website. How we can see how a website is hiding through a firewall to be saved. Now before we wanna see the firewall layers of a website, we should also see what firewalls are. So to see this, let me give you an example. Firewall photo, okay? So I type firewall photo. Let me pick a random photo like this. Okay, good. What you can see in this photo is nothing really too much, but there is something hiding it. Do you see this? There's a computer and there is a wall. It's called firewall. That's blocking all the red kind of things like penetration attacks, wireless communications, and viruses, etc. Now if you're a penetration tester, you want to be finding out the vulnerabilities and loopholes in a website or web server or whatever you want. But there would usually be a firewall protecting the website. Now if you're not sure if there is any, you can check using the tool that I'm gonna show you in the video. And if you are sure there is one but don't know which one, you can see that as well. So with this, I got you a brief introduction to what firewalls are, and now we want to move forward to installing the tool. So type fis if you are using fis, or else you can type console conqueror or even the basic terminal if you want. Next, ls. This is not required. Clear waf00f. Now you can type sudo apt install waf w00f if you are on Debian based operating system, but I am on Orange. That's not Debian based. So for that, I have to install it again using a different way. So let me open up a browser. Okay, I'm on Chromium right now. Okay, there we go. Next, you can type waf w00f download or choose a repository. Next, click on this firewall or whatever you want. And from here you can find the package and install, but probably you're not on Arch. Okay, you're probably not on Arch Linux. You're probably on Debian, and more specifically on Kali or Parrot OS. So this is kind of waste of time. If you are on Arch, you can comment down below. I'm gonna be showing you how you can install it on the next video if you are really on Arch. So let us consider that you are not, or even if you are on Arch, you've got the thing installed. Now we have to type a command waf w00f, and the name of the website that you want to test the firewall of So let's do which one? Okay, let me open up a browser and test it. Basic one is gonna be google.com. Okay, Google, right? Let's do it. https://google.com. Let's see. Nothing. The syntax is really good. waf00f https://google.com. After the name of the command, you can type in the name of the website or URL of the website that you want to be checking the firewall of, and it says no WAF detected by generic detection. Why is this returning so? Means that Google is probably behind a firewall, but it's not letting this thing to know that it's behind a firewall. Why would it even know? Google is such a big company, isn't it? But if you're willing to hack or penetrate a small company or even your own website, this is the tool for you. Like, let me show you an example of a not that big scale website. What's that gonna be? Probably, yeah, let's do this. Let's do the, let me see, a website. Let me type random website and at the top, the useless web. Let's see this. Copy the URL and type clear and type waf00f and paste the URL. Wait a second, generate detection, and it says that it has no detection as well. So this means that this really does not have a web detection or a firewall, because this is not what we want to protect. Is this? No. There's nothing in the site. What do we protect it from? There's nothing to protect. Okay, we've got this site. Let's see if this has got one. Control C, clear, and waf00f with the URL generic detection. This has no as well. So let's see which one has got one. Let's see. Okay, I have a website. Really old. I made this years ago when I was learning HTML for the first. So let's see if this has got any kind of firewall. Enter. And let's see. No, it's not got any, I know. Yeah, it does not have any kind of firewall, because I didn't even get it a firewall. Next, let's see if, what do we call that? Yeah, VS Code site. Or let's do reddit.com. This probably has one. Okay, we're testing it on reddit.com. Let's wait and watch. Probably it's behind Cloudflare or something, or even if it's not, it's protected. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, let me give it a full URL with the www as well. Okay, https://www.reddit.com until it gets it. Let me search for another one as well. Okay. waf00f https://www.quora.com. It's similar to Reddit. Okay, Quora is behind Cloudflare. Means that it has a firewall, and Reddit is not behind any kind of firewall. It is being said by the website or the tool, and this is probably correct. And in this video you saw how to detect the firewalls behind any kind of website or web server or any kind of web application. If you found the video helpful, please do not forget to like the video as well as subscribe to the channel. Until then, You can take care. I'll see you in the next one.